Hi, here's my clone. Hi. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to do the clone effect, so stay tuned. If you're an aspiring video editor and you have no idea how editing works, this is your lucky day because I am starting my new series, Making CapCut Edits without CapCut Pro. And in this series, I teach creators how to make high-level edits but without using CapCut Pro. Take a video of yourself
while sitting down and talking to the camera, and then when you are done, without turning off the video, stand up and peek into the camera and say hi. When you are done with this, you stop the recording. Now go over to the Spring app and tap on create new and import the file that you've just worked on. Now I'm going to look for exactly where I clicked when my clone appeared, and now I'm going to cut exactly that part and leave it there. Since it's the same video, scroll over to where your clone comes in and then cut it at that point. When you cut it at that point, you scroll and make it a duplicate layer. Now delete the main footage and scroll to where you want your clone to come in, which is for me where I clicked. Now the clone footage is directly an overlay to the video where I clicked. Adjust it a little bit so that the clone video directly aligns with the timeline when you click. Now you delete all of the extra footages that you don't need. When you are done, drag the overlay to the size of the main clip. Now scroll over to where you're going to see magic remover and tap on it. This will automatically remove the background for our clone. Make sure you don't leave the app while the removal is going on, and this is the amazing result.
I'm going to be teaching you how to do the clone effect without CapCut Pro. Now, if you enjoyed this video, I'm confident you're going to enjoy other video editing tips that I do on my channel. So I recommend that you go visit my channel and check out whatever videos that you would like to watch on video editing. Thank you so much for watching this channel. Bye.